the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Naked, or ticker symbol NAKD. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, our support and resistance lines, our entries, our exits, and all this other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So yesterday we closed down nearly almost 5%, and this morning pre-market we're down almost another 2%. Let's have a look at our volume. We're at 153,000, so we are technically above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see for our volume. So that's good. Let's look at our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get into more in depth on where we're at currently. So this top line is our highest level of resistance tested, you guys. We look left, you can see we had trouble breaking past this area, but once we broke past that resistance, it worked as support on the opposite side. So you can see we came up, came down, came back underneath, tested again, back underneath again, and then the last one over here, which pushed us all the way down to our major support line, which is our lowest level of support tested as well. We look underneath, it was working as resistance previously over here once and twice, and then once we broke above that, so you can see that we bounced from over here, and then we went back underneath a couple times and then back above. So we were kind of fluctuating in between this this support line and then as well as our resistance line up here. And now let's get into where we're at currently, okay? So you can see that we just been in this downward trend. We have this lower high, lower high, and then we are now underneath this resistance, okay? So as of right now, getting in would not be the smartest decision, with one being below the trend line and in this clear downward trend. You look at the RSI. The RSI does look like we are a little bit oversold, but doesn't show any sign of corrections. So what we want to see is this to come back up and break above the 57-cent area or the 56-cent area, which would be our minor support or resistance line that we are currently under. And what this would do is it would show that buyers are stepping up, and it would create this reversal that we want to see. So we want this to come up and come back down and retest on this support level, not be underneath testing it as resistance. Okay, so but yeah, as of right now, because of we are in this downward trend, we are underneath the major resistance line, this would not be considerably a good buy unless you are shorting this stock. Then have a field day with it until we can show signs of a reversal or buyers stepping up and us breaking back above the 57-cent area. You guys, I would stay far away from this specific stock until we can see that as of right now, okay? I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently, and if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. Allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.